In Paint 3D, we have a range of useful and customizable 2D shapes that make it easy to be productive. They work in the same way as our stickers, and so can be applied both on the canvas and on 3D objects. Select a shape from the sidebar and drag it out to the size you would like. Whilst it has a bounding box, you can change the scale and rotation of the shape, as well as adjust the controls in the side panel. You can choose the colour of the fill and line type, as well as the thickness of the line and the overall opacity of the shape sticker. When you are happy, press the tick to apply. You can also create a shape at the default size by simply tapping in the workspace. You can then refine this by dragging the bounding box. Like with stickers, a shape can also be applied by pressing the stamp button. This applies the shape but keeps another version available to stamp again. Our updated Line and Curve tool has handles, allowing you to keep tweaking the precise shape of the curve until it is applied. Don't forget that as well as colours, you can also choose from our 4 material types, which affect the reflectivity and shine of the shape when applied to a 3D object. In addition to applying a shape, you have the option to Make 3D. This will pop it out into a new layer in 3D space. As with any 3D object, this can then be reselected, rescaled, and repositioned. Shapes are a great way to add precision to your creations in both 2D and 3D, so give them a go.